Are you looking for amazing bass for your car, but can't decide which underseat subwoofer to choose? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you the top 5 best underseat car subwoofers, all slim, powerful, and with built-in amps. Don't skip, watch till the end, and find out which one's the perfect bass solution for your car. Let's get started. Item number 5. Upgrade your car audio with the Estink 10-inch slim underseat powered subwoofer. This compact subwoofer packs a built-in 800-watt amplifier in a durable aluminum alloy casing for excellent heat management. It delivers deep, punchy bass with a frequency range of 50 Hz to 150 Hz, low-pass filter, and adjustable bass boost up to plus 12 dB. The stylish blue LED ambient light adds a modern touch, and the wired remote makes adjusting gain, crossover, and bass effortless. With high and low-level input compatibility and thermal and short-circuit protection, it ensures reliable, clear sound every time. Item number 4. Upgrade your car audio with the AiteFeir 10-inch slim underseat subwoofer, featuring a built-in 800-watt amplifier. This compact subwoofer delivers powerful, deep bass for an immersive listening experience. Its unique Y-shaped design adds a stylish touch to your car interior. Installation is simple, with all necessary parts included, and the built-in amplifier saves space and eliminates the need for an external amp. Fine-tune your audio with adjustable settings to match your personal preference. The blue LED light enhances the look while providing modern aesthetics. Perfect for upgrading your car's sound system efficiently and stylishly. Item number 3. Upgrade your car audio with the AiteFeir 10-inch 1500-watt universal active subwoofer, model AT1015. This ultra-thin, square-shaped subwoofer delivers massive 1500 watts peak power with RMS 400 watts for deep, powerful bass. It features a frequency range of 20 Hz to 150 Hz, low-pass filter, subsonic filter, and bass boost up to 12 dB for precise sound control. With 4 ohms impedance, 90D sensitivity, and both high and low-level input support, it works in most vehicles. Built with durable materials and CE FCC certification, this subwoofer ensures crisp, clear sound while fitting easily in compact spaces. Item number 2. Upgrade your car audio with the ZUID 8-inch DC 12-volt underseat subwoofer, model K805 APR. This compact subwoofer delivers 80 watts output power with 91 dB sensitivity and 90 dB signal-to-noise ratio for clear, powerful sound. Its frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz ensures deep bass and crisp highs. Built from wooden material with a sleek black finish, it includes a tweeter for enhanced audio performance. Designed to fit under the seat, it supports 12 to 24 volts input and has 4 amps impedance, making it compatible with most vehicles. Perfect for compact spaces without compromising sound quality. Item number 1. Upgrade your car audio with the 1200-watt 10-inch slim underseat powered subwoofer. This ultra-slim subwoofer delivers stunning clarity and earth-shaking bass while fitting seamlessly under most seats at just 3.4 inches thick. It features a built-in amplifier, high low-level input support, and a 360-degree LED halo for a stylish look. Enjoy precise sound control with RF wireless remote for gain, bass boost 0 to 12 dB, and crossover 50 to 150 Hz. Built with aluminum alloy housing for advanced thermal management, it offers low distortion 0.4%, 90 dB SNR, and RMS 220 watts, transforming your vehicle's audio into a dynamic, immersive experience. Which of these underseat car subwoofer is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.